Welcome all to my channel Weight Lecture. Today we will discuss multiple choice questions on livestock productions and management. Question number first. Which of the following is defined as fiber length? Option A. Total length of wool fiber after removing weaving. Option B. Total length of wool fiber from ship without removing weaving. Option C. Average length of fiber from ship. Or option D. Length of stretch wool. The right answer is option A, that is total length of wool fiber after removing weaving. Actually, that the total length of wool fiber in its natural condition, that is without removing weaving or without stretching the crims, that is known as staple length, while the fiber length is the total length of wool fiber after removing weaving. Question number second. Goat is option A. Poor man's cow. Option B. Running dairy. Option C. Earliest ruminant. Or option D. All. The right answer is option D. That is all. Goat is known as poor man's cow as well as running dairy, and it is also the earliest domesticated ruminant. Question number 3. Which is known as Jersey of goat breed? Option A. Nubian. Option B. Sanin. Option C. Marwari. Or option D. Chegu. The right answer is option A. That is Nubian. Nubian breed of goat is known as Jersey breed of goat because it's contain highest fat percent among all goat breed, whereas Sanin is known as milk queen, that is Holstein of goat, because the Sanin breed has highest milk production, while Chegu and Changtangni are Pashmina goat. Their hairs are used for making Pashmina shawls. Question number 4. In which of the following breed polled horn character associated with in reproductive performance? Option A. Nubian. Option B. Sanin. Option C. Marwari. Option D. Chegu and Changthangi. The right answer is option B. Sanin. In Sanin breed of goat, that polled or horn character are associated with reproductive performance. Actually, that homozygous polled Sanin female are intersex, that is hermaphrodite. The intersex gene is an autosomal recessive that is linked to the dominant gene for pollness. Thus, homozygous female for that pollness gene are also homozygous for that intersex genes. So, that animals are intersex. Okay. Question number 5. Period of farrowing of all piglet is option A 12 to 20 minutes, option B 30 minutes to 1 hour, option C 1 to 2 hour, or option D 2 to 4 hour. The right answer is option C, that is 2 to 4 hour. Period of farrowing of all piglet is 2 to 4 hour, out of which that the interval between the birth of one piglet and the birth of the second piglet is 12 to 20 minutes. Question number 6. Digestibility coefficient of goat milk is option A 67.5%, option B 75%, option C 81.5%, option D 85%. The right answer is option D, that is 85%. Actually, the digestibility coefficient of goat milk and goat meat, that's chivon, are 85% and 95% respectively. That digestibility coefficient of that goat milk is same as that of the digestibility coefficient of cow milk and buffalo milk. Actually, that digestibility coefficient is used for the quantification of digestibility for any given food, that the ingested food minus fecal food upon total ingested food into 100% give that apparent digestibility coefficient, while ingested food minus that fecal and endogenous fecal food endogenous plus endogenous fecal food upon that ingested total ingested into 100% give the total digestibility coefficient of that product. Question number 7, that is biological value of goat milk. Option A 67.5%, option B 75%, option C 81.5%, or option D 85%. The right answer is option A, that is 67.5%. Actually, that the biological value of that goat milk is 67.5%, while goat meat, that is chevon, is 60.4%, and that biological value of goat milk is same as that of the biological value of cow milk and that buffalo milk. Actually, that biological value is that the proportion is the measure of the proportion of that absorbed total absorbed protein from a food that actually incorporated into the protein of that organisms. Out of that total protein that is absorbed from that food, the how much proportion of that protein actually incorporated in making that organism's protein, that is that biological value that's given by the biological value of that protein. Question number 8, growth promoting value of goat milk protein is option A lower, option B higher, option C both, option D not. The right answer is option A, that is lower. Goat milk protein has a lower growth promoting value as compared to that cow milk protein. When compared to that cow milk, that goat milk has the many desirable nutritional trait such as like lower concentration of C12, C14 and C16, and sodium and potassium ratio, and while that higher concentration of polyunsaturated fatty acid, eosapentaenoic acid, and docosahexaenoic acid, isoflavin, vitamin B, copper, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, and iodine. Question number 9. Size of fat globules of goat milk is option A large and fine, option B small and fine, option C both, or option D none. The right answer is option B, that is small and fine. The biggest size of the fat globules in a milk is the milk of milk is that the buffalo's fat globules, and while that is smallest fat globules in milk of that goat, since goat milk has around 20% smaller fat globule size as compared to that cow milk, and it also contain lower level of lactose that make easier to digest it, and so it can be goat milk can be as a good alternative to those who are unable to tolerate that cow milk. Question number, which milk contain more minerals? Option A human, option B cow, option C buffalo, or option D goat. The right answer is option D, that is goat. Among cow, buffalo, goat, ewe, sow, and human milk, that highest mineral contain is present in a milk of ewe, that is 1%, followed by sow, that is 0.9%, followed by goat, that is 0.8%. Similarly, lowest mineral content is present in a milk of human, that is 0.1%, and similarly that highest water content presence in a milk of sow, that is 89.6%, followed by human, that is 87.7%, while lowest water content presence in a milk of ewe, that is 79.4%. Similarly, highest fat percentage is present in a milk of ewe, that is 8.6%, followed by buffalo, that is 6.6%, and while lowest fat percent is present in a milk of human, that is 3.6%. Similarly, highest SNF, solid not fat percentage, presence in milk of ewe, that is 11.39%, followed by buffalo 9.86%, while lowest SNF present in a milk of sow, that is 5.86%. Similarly, highest protein percent present in a milk of ewe, that is 6.6%, followed by buffalo 3.9%, while lowest protein percentage is present in a milk of sow, that is 1.3%. Similarly, highest lactose percentage is present in a milk of human, that is 6.8%, followed by buffalo, that is 5.2%. Lowest lactose percentage is present in a milk of sow, that is 3.4%. Question number 11. The only dairy product among all obtained from goat milk is option A ghee, option B paneer, option C, cheese, or option D, none. The right answer is that option C, that is cheese. Question number 12. Why the goat meat is desirable by the men? Option A, because it contains less protein. Option B, because it contains less fat. Option C, because it contains more minerals. Or option D, all. The right answer is option B, because it contains less fat. Since the goat meat is more desirable as compared to that other meat because it contains less fat, while the goat milk is also more desirable as compared to that other animals milk because it contains less cholesterol as well as less lactose, so it is desirable by those people who are intolerant to cow milk as well. Question number 13. Best meat from goat obtained at option A, when the goat is 6 to 12 months of age. Option B, when the goat has 25 kg body weight. Or option C, both. Or option D, none. The right answer is option C, that is both. The best meat obtained from the goat when the goat is aged around 6 to 12 months of age, having the body weight 25 kg. Question number 14. What is used as casing of sausage making? Option A, liver of goat. Option B, lungs of goat. Option C, gut of goat. Or option D, heart of goat. The right answer is option C, that is gut of goat. Actually, sausage casing is also known as like sausage skin or simply casing. It's a material that encloses the filling of that sausage. Natural that casing is made from that animal gut or skin, while artificial casing is made from that collagen and cellulose. Question number 15. Buck of 18 to 24 month serves how many does in breeding season? Option A, 15 to 20 does. Option B, 25 to 30 does. Option C, 35 to 45 does. Or option D, 56 to 60 does. The right answer is option B, that is 25 to 30 does. Actually, that buck of 18 to 24 month of old serve 25 to 30 does in breeding season, while buck of around 2 to 25 year of age serve 50 to 60 does in breeding season. The best age of buck when it is used for stud purpose is when buck is 2.5 year old. Buck is suitable for breed up to when buck reach up to 8 to 10 year of age, and since that one buck is sufficient to breed for 30 does. Okay. Question number 16. In which of the following age dose is at her prime of reproduction ability? Option A, when the dose is 5 to 7 year old. When the dose is option B, 8 to 10 year old. Option C, 12 year old. Option D, 14 year old. The right answer is option A, that is when the dose is 5 to 7 year old. Dose is at her prime of reproduction ability when it is 5 to 7 year old, and while the whole lifespan of the goat is 12 years. Question number 17. How many days after kidding dough may be bred? Option A, after 30 days of pasteurization. Option B, after 35 days of kidding. Option C, after 45 days of kidding. Or option D, after 60 days of kidding. The right answer is option C, that is 45 days of kidding. After 45 days of postpartum, goat should be rebred, while that uterus involutions in goat takes around 17 to 19 days. Okay. Question number 18. Fastidious feeding habit is present in option A, sheep, option B, cow, option C, horse, option D, goat. The right answer is option D, that is goat. Fastidious feeding habit is present in goat. Since goat are a sensitive animal with peculiar feeding habit, they are fastidious about that cleanliness and also like frequent change in that feed. Since the feed given to the goat should be clean, and since goat eat that nothing that is dirty and foul smelling, they dislike wet, stales and trampled fodder. Question number 19. Accept which nutrient goat and sheep utilize nutrient in feed better than cattle or buffalo? Question option A, crude protein. Option B, good fiber. Option C, ether extract. Or option D, all. The right answer is option C, that is ether extract. Goat and sheep utilize all nutrient in feed better than cattle and buffalo except ether extract. Question number 20. The concentrate of ammonia total volatile fatty acid in rumen. Option A, least in buffalo. Option B, highest in goat. Option C, intermediate in sheep. Option D, all. The right answer is option D, that is all. The concentrate of ammonia total volatile fatty acid in rumen is least in case of buffalo, highest in case of goat, and intermediate in case of sheep. Due to that higher metabolisms of goat, that goat need more maintenance ration. The quantity of the dry matter consumptions in case of the meat goat is 3% of their life body weight. The quantity of that dry matter consumptions in milking goat is 5 to 7% of their total live weight, while in case of that cattle and buffalo it's 2.5 to 3% of their live weight. And while the feed conversion efficiency of that for milk production in goat is higher as compared to that cow. That is that the goat convert more amount of the nutrient from feed into that milk as comparison to that cow and buffalo. Okay. Question number 21st. What should be the average liter size of goat? Option A 1, option B 1.5, option C 2, option D 2.5. The right answer is 1.5. The number of offspring that produce at a birth, that is known as that litter size, since that the goat gestation period is around like 5 months, and so that kidding in goat occur about 2 times in year, while the litter size of goat is 1.5. Question number 22. Birth weight of kid of a small indigenous goat breed is option A 1 to 1.5 kg, option B 2 to 2.5 kg, option C 2.5 to 3 kg, option D 3.3 kg. The right answer is 1 to 1.5 kg. Birth weight of a kid of that small indigenous breed of goat is 1 to 1.5 kg. Birth weight of kid of that medium indigenous breed of goat is 2 to 2.5 kg. Birth weight of kid of large indigenous breed of goat is 2.5 to 3 kg, and that birth weight of that cross breed of goat is 3.3 kg. Okay. Question number 23. That is milk feeding in goat done at which age? Option A 0 to 3 days. Option B 3 days to 12 week. Option C 12 week to 12 month. Option D 1 year to 2 year. The right answer is option B, that is 3 to 12 week of age. Since that the from that birth up to 3 days, the colostrum should be fed to that the kid, and after 3 days up to that 12 week milk normal milk feeding done with to goat. Okay. That the rumen activity of some goat is start when that goat is 3 to 4 week of age, when goat is 3 to 4 week of age, when goat is 3 to 4 week of age. Okay. And that while that lactating goat, that feeding of lactating goat shouldn't be should be that 350 gram concentrate for 1 liter of milk production. And since more than 500 gram concentrate shouldn't be given as a single feed to goat. Okay. Question number 24. Milk in copper container produces option A chaloi odor, option B oily tent, option C fishy tent, option D all. The right answer is option A, that is toloi odor. Milk that is stored in a copper container produce tolling odor, while that improper homogenization produce oily tint in milk, and that fishy odor of milk is due to the presence of caffeine, and that fishy of flavor in milk is characterized by like distinct unpleasant taste and smell, and which is smell like rotting fish. And this problem is mainly seen in that Swedish red and white dairy cattle, and it is actually due to that elevated level of trimethylamine. Question number 25. In breeding season, buck fed. Option A 350 gram concentrate per liter of milk, 400 gram concentrate daily, more than 500 gram concentrate or 450 to 680 gram per day. The right answer is option C, that is 400 gram concentrate daily. During that breeding season, bug should be fed 400 gram concentrate on a daily basis. Question number 26. Twins and triplet common in which of the following? Option A, that first and second kidding. Option B, that is fifth and sixth kidding. Option C, that is third and fourth kidding. Or option D, that is seventh and eighth kidding. The right answer is that is third and fourth kidding. Actually, twins and triplets are common in third and fourth kidding of goat, while single birth is common in first and second kidding. Okay. Question number 27. What shouldn't be tethered? Tethered means like tying the animal in one place and that restricted their movement. Okay. Option A, that is breeding female goat. Option B, that is breeding male goat. Option C, that is young male goat. Option D, young female goat. The right answer is breeding male goat. That is option B. Breeding male goat shouldn't be tethered. That is tie an animal with a rope or chain so to restrict their movement. Okay. Question number 28. Which of the following is the cost return ratio in goat? Option A 1 is to 9. Option B 1 is to 11. Option C 1 is to 13. Option D 1 is to 15. The right answer is 1 is to 11. That cost return ratio in goat is 1 is to 11. That is one part cost gives 100 parts return. Okay. 11th part of that cost returns. Okay. Weight of carcass within 1 year of slaughter is option A hot weight, option B cold weight, option C both A and B, or option D none. The right answer is option A, that is hot weight. Weight of carcass within 1 hours of slaughter is known as hot weight. But after chilling the overnight the carcass, that cold carcass weight is determined. Okay, that cold carcass weight are less as compared to that hot carcass weight because the carcasses lost moisture during the chilling, and while the cold carcass weight is used to determine the carcass yield. Okay. Question number 30. Which contribute richness of flavor of milk? Option A, phospholipid. Option B, galactolipid. Option C, glycolipid. Or option D, cholesterol. The right answer is option A, that is phospholipid. Glycerophospholipid and sphingolipid are quantitatively the most important phospholipid in milk. They are located on the milk fat globules membrane and in other membranous materials of that skim milk phase. Question number 31st. Which vitamin is high in pig? Option A, vitamin B1. Option B, vitamin B2. Option C, vitamin B5. Or option D, vitamin B12. Among all B vitamin, that B1 vitamin is highest in case of like the pork. Although that pork is an excellent source of many vitamins and minerals including thiamine, zinc, vitamin B12, B6, niacin, phosphorus and iron. Among all that it is high in vitamin B1. Question number 32. How many liter produced per year by pig under good management condition? Okay. Option A 2, option B 2 to 4, option C 6 to 8, option D 6 to 12. The right answer is 2. That 2 liter that are produced per year under good management condition. Under good management condition, pig will be like farrow 2 time per year, and since the number of that piglet produced in a single liter is 6 to 12, that is 14, and that number of piglet that produce is equal to that number of tit of pig. Question number 33. Meat of pig contain option A, little calcium and more iron. Option B, no vitamin A and vitamin D. Option C, more thiamine, niacin, riboflavin. Or option D, all. The right answer is option D, that is all. Meat of pig, that is pork, is rich in phosphorus and iron and has high energy value and more in thiamine, niacin, riboflavin, but lower in calcium and water content. Question number 34. Test for detecting sow in heat is option A hot test, option B riding test, option C cocking test, or option D dye test. The right answer is option B, that is riding test. Okay, that while pressing the back of that pig, if the pig is in stress, then it's remain in a standing condition. Since the animal that's showing standing heat is also that pig. Okay. Question number 35. High price cut of pork chops are option A comes from back and loin, option B comes from sides, option C comes from rear quarter, or option D comes from loin and sides. The right answer is option A, that is comes from backside and loin side. That high price cut of pork chops are comes from backside and loin sides, and ham is comes from rear quarter, that is rear quarter, and bacon comes from sides. Question number 36. Breeding weight of gilt is option A 60, option B 70 to 75 kg, option C 90 kg, option D 90 to 100 kg. The right answer is 90 to 100 kg. That breeding age of gilt is 10 to 12 month when it attain body weight, that is 90 to 100 kg. Puberty age of gilt is 6 to 8 month when it attain body weight, that is 68 kg. Puberty and breeding age of boar is puberty age is 8 month, and puberty is 8 month, and breeding age is 18 to 24 month respectively. Market age and weight of fattening pig is 6 month. Market age is 6 month, and that weight of that fattening pig is 70 to 75 kg. Farrowing interval is 7 to 7.5 month. Farrowing interval is 7 to 7.5 month. So should be bred up to 8 to 10 year of its age, and average life of sow is up to 6 liter. Okay, 6 liter. Okay. Uh, Question number 37. Fertilization occurs. Option A 6 to 10 hours after mating. Option B 10 to 12 hours after mating. Option C 24 hours after mating. Option D 3 to 4 hours after mating. Fertilization occurs. Okay. Questions. The right answer is option A. That is that fertilization actually occurs after 6 to uh, 10 hours after mating. Question number 38. After what times so comes in heat? After winning. Okay. Option A, that is 14 days. Option B 3 to 5 week. Option C 45 days. Option D 112 to 114 days. The right answer is 14 days. Sows comes in heat after 14 days of winning. That mm, after the 14 days of winning, that after the 14 days of removing that piglet from suckling that milk, that source comes in heat. Okay. Question number 39. Parturition in swine is most frequent in option A morning time, option B early afternoon time, option C late afternoon time, or option D night time. The right answer is option D, that is night time. Since the most of the pig parturate during night time, that average litter size at the birth is 10 to 14. Okay, the pig give around 14 piglet per birth, while average litter size at the winning is like 8 to 10 10 piglet. Okay, since most of the piglet is died mainly due to that by its mother itself. That mother sometimes unknowingly kill its piglet by pressing it. Question number 40. First mating of boar should be done with a female of option A, his own size and age, option B, young boar with older show, option C, old boar with young show, or option D, none. The right answer is option A, that is his own size and age. First mating of boar should be done with female of its own size and age. Since young boar may be used for like one service in a day, but not more than a twice a week. While older boar may be used as a two serving in a week, but up to that twice a day up to that. Okay. Question number 41. At which age so reach maximum milk flow after farrowing? Option A, that is after 2 weeks of farrowing. Option B, after 3 weeks of farrowing. Option C, 4 weeks of farrowing. Or option D, 5 weeks of farrowing. The right answer is after 3 weeks of farrowing. So reach maximum milk flow after 3 weeks of farrowing. Question number 42. Which of the following teeth is clipped at birth? Option A, tusk. Option B, needle teeth. Option C, incisor. Option D, molar. The right answer is option B, that is needle teeth. Needle teeth are that four pair of small needle-like brown colored teeth that found in that newly born piglet. This teeth may irritate the udder of that sow. Therefore, this teeth should be clipped off shortly after birth of piglet, while the tusk teeth should be clipped to its back size at the age of 2 years or more. When the sow is at 2 years old or more, at the time that tusk teeth should be clipped. Okay. Question number 43. Pig have option A, small cecum and small colon. Option B, small cecum and large colon. Option C, large cecum and large colon. Option D, large cecum and small colon. The right answer is option C, that is large cecum and large colon. That actually the non-ruminant animal, that actually fermentation reactions actually occurred in case of cecum, which lead to the production of large amount of that volatile fatty acid in cecum. Okay. Question number 44. How much urea may be given as protein substitute in pig? Option A, 2 mg. Option B, 2 gram. Option C, 0 gram. Option D, 200 gram. 200 mg. The right answer is 0 mg. Since pig is non-ruminant animal, it doesn't have rumen to convert non-proteinous protein urea to the proteinous protein, just like ruminant. So there is no means of supply of urea to the pig ration. Okay. Pig store in their body. Option A, less protein and less fat. Option B, less protein and more fat. Option C, more protein and more fat. Option D, more protein and less fat. The right answer is option B, that is less protein and more fat. Okay. Question number 46. Fat contained in ration of adult ruminant should be option A, 3 to 5%, option B, 5 to 8%, option C, 10 to 15%, or option D, 15 to 20%. The right answer is 3 to 5%. In ruminant, ration should include 3 to 5% of fat percentage. Pig 47. Pig up to 30 kg body weight requires option A, 3% linoleic acid, option B, 1.5% fat of total dietary energy, option C, both A and B, or option D, none. The right answer is option A, that is 3% linoleic acid. Pig up to 30 kg body weight requires 3% linoleic acids, while pig above 30 kg body weight up to slaughter time requires 1 to 5% fat of total dietary energy. Okay, nutritional deficiency is commonly seen in case of pigs. Pig ration must have more concentrate and include less roughages. Penicillin, bacitracin, aureomycin, terramycin, extra antibiotics are used in pig ration. That 10 to 20 mg per kg of feed antibiotics should be given in case of pig ration. Okay. Question number 48. Energy requirement in pig are expressed as option A, kg per kg of ration. Option B, digestible energy or metabolic energy per kg of daily ration. Option C, calories. Option D, gain energy per kg of ration. The right answer is option B, that is digestible energy or metabolic energy per kg of ration. Energy requirement in pig are expressed in terms of digestible energy or metabolic energy per kg of daily ration. Okay. Question number 49. Which vitamin is synthesized by pig in large quantity? Option A, that is vitamin A. Option B, that is vitamin B. Option C, that is vitamin C. Or option D, that is vitamin D. The right answer is option C, that is vitamin C. Vitamin C is synthesized by pig in large quantity, so that vitamin C should not need to supply externally into that pig ration. Okay. Question number 50. It grows. Option A, 12 times faster than calf. Option B, 12 times lower than calf. Option C, 8 times faster than calf. Or option D, 8 times lower than calf. The right answer is option A, that is 12 times faster than calf. Okay, in one side there is a weight of that piglet and calf at the time of birth, and also when we take on the weight of piglet and calf when it is 18th month old. Okay. um, we can see that piglet at the time of birth is 1.4 kg, and when it is 18 month of old, it is 163 kg body weight. And in case of calf, at the time of birth it is 41 kg, and at the time of 18 month it is 408 kg. And it is clearly seen that the growth of pig is faster as compared to the calf, and which is 12 times faster than calf. Thank you.